Hello Aries, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of June. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect for this month. This is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North. So Spirit, for the people who are going to hear this message for Aries. Give me one reading for Aries Spirit. Show person's energy towards Aries Spirit. Okay. This person wants to talk to you, Aries. Maybe this person is not talking to you right now, but this person wants to talk to you and you will receive a message from this person. It will not be a very emotional message, like emotions will be there, but don't expect much from this person. I'm also getting this person could be acting very detached from you right now, but this person is not in a happy space. That's what I'm getting here. This person could be missing you. This person wants to talk to you and they have to offer you something, but they don't know whether you will receive it or not, like whether you will accept it or not. For some of you, I'm getting your person wants to gift you something and they are not sure whether you will like it or not. Let's see how the view is. There could be a lot of arguments. Two of Cups at the bottom, and I feel this is a breakup. Like you guys, even if you guys are not in separation, this person feels that there were a lot of arguments and drama with you, and you are some drama queen or drama king. I'm also getting connection was very strong at one time and love is still there in this situation, and the connection is mutual. This is a soulmate kind of love, but this person feels there are too many people in this situation. Could be a family situation or could be any situation where more than 3 people are involved, and I'm seeing arguments here, a lot of drama. That's how they view you. Maybe you guys are having different opinions, and this is the reason that this person feels that this person is a little scared. This person is acting a little defensive. At the same time, this person is thinking about you a lot, thinking about the situation, and this person is could be a third party situation, Aries, and could be dealing with a Capricorn, but you feel that your partner acts like a devil sometimes. It could be your partner as well, that your partner feels that you deliberately bring toxicity in this relationship, and a lot of arguments here, a lot of fight. This person wants to heal this relationship, Aries, and this person has emotions for you. This person may be thinking about apologizing to you and fix the situation. This person has emotions for you. You could be dealing with a water sign, and if you have a child, your person wants to fix this relationship because of a child. This person is very disappointed over the past, like whatever has happened. This person is regretting something. I'm also getting this person has passion for you. This person wants to get intimate with you. This has ended and this person is feeling betrayed, like this is a breakup. This person feels rejected. This person also feels that you are unattainable, like this person cannot have you in their life. They cannot fix this situation. This person wants to indulge himself or herself in alcohol, in their player like energy. You are still their wish fulfillment, Aries, but this person feels that it's better to stay alone, better to think from your head and not from your heart. I'm also getting this person is still not happy. Even if this person is having sex with others, is having parties and all, drinks, this person is still not happy because this person loves you. I'm also getting, Aries, if your wife or your husband has walked away, and you could be missing your child as well, like your child is with your partner and you are missing your child. This person wants to release you. This person wants to go through that transformation, like this person wants to block you, block this relationship. This person also acting very defensive, but this person, even if this person wants to fight for this connection, this person feels that you are walking away and they should move on as well. For some of you, I'm getting this person thinks about traveling towards you or reaching out to you, but this person is thinking about the situation from a different perspective, yet this person is not going to take any action. Let's see. Like in their intentions, they don't want to take any action towards you, Aries. Let's see what action will they take towards you. This person is going to act very detached. This person is going to leave you out in a cold. I have 3 of Swords in their actions. This is not a good energy. And 4 of Swords. Someone needs healing here. If it's better to remain at a distance from this person, Aries, because this person has the tendency to hurt you. This person needs healing, and I feel you too need healing. This person wants to fix the relationship. This person is not going to take any action towards you, and this person is going to leave you out in a cold. This person may manifest this relationship or good things in their life, but I feel this person still want you. This person still think about you, but this person feels like this person cannot take any action towards you. It could be their mind that stops them, their ego that stops them, or you are in some situation like this person feels like this person cannot fix the situation now, like you are walking away and you have walked away from their life. So this person is hurt. This person is very hurt, Aries. The Garden. At the bottom we have soulmates. I feel this person is going to take his or her time, and you are going to do the same, Aries, but this is not over. That's what I'm getting here. This is not over. This will start again, because this is a soulmate connection and this person will come back towards you, and I feel this is the time for healing, Aries, for you and this person, and then you guys can be together. But this is not the right time. That's what I'm getting here. And for this time you have to take care of yourself, and this person needs to take care of, like, your partner needs to take care of them, and that's it. This is the time for healing. You have been hurt. This person has been hurt. Could be a third party situation for some of you and not for all, but I'm feeling so much pain here, like someone needs healing, and I feel you both need healing. Let's get Spirit's advice. Fly. Let your creative imagination fly. So just take care of yourself, and I'm getting you need to be like, you need to focus on that stuff, like what can you do creatively. Like, you could be an artist, you could be a writer, like you could be having interest in music, so just learn something new or just start something new. Keep your focus on yourself, on that stuff, and that's it. This person will come to you when the right time comes. Let me see the outcome. Six of Cups. This person will come back towards you, Aries. And the Chariot at the bottom. So yes, this person will come back towards you, and this is your outcome. So I don't know who will reach out first, and I feel it could be you, but you are going to receive a communication from this person, and this person will come back towards you. So this is your outcome for the month of June. 10 of Pentacles here. This person could be already married, or this person will offer you commitment, Aries. So let's get love messages from your person. Please stay. I should have I should have confessed my true feelings to you. I like to make you feel jealous because it gives me assurance that you are still holding on to me. Your dreams are too big for me. I'm a simple man who wants a simple life. At the bottom we have I miss the old days. One more message from Aries person spirit. Okay. You are different from others and I'll hate and love it at the same time. At the bottom we have baby, only you can cool my fire. You are my desire. Okay, so this person will come back to us, you Aries. If not initially, then at the end of the month, this person will definitely come back to you. And I'm getting communication here, so this person will communicate with you, and this person will come back towards you for this month. So I really hope it helped you, Aries. Let me know in the comment section if this reading resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.